Hello students, today I welcome you in the e-learning of chapter 3 Hypertext Markup Language. The chapter name is HTML and this is the full form of that. Now here we talk about HTML Hypertext Markup Language. Now we consider what is hyper. Hyper means any reference, any link, and text means any alphabet, any number and any special symbol, even some kind of images also. Markup means all the tags: HTML tag, body tag, p tag, I tag, b tag. There's plenty of tags. Those are called markup. Language means that this is the mean of communication. The mean of communication with computer. Now hypertext markup language, it is used to create web documents including text, image, formatting and hyperlinks to other documents. HTML document consists of text, markup tags, all the HTML body, paragraph, italics, so many, which are used to define the structure and appearance and function of the information. There are two types of markup tags. One is container tag, which has opening and closing, which has start tag and end tag, whereas empty tag, it has no end tag, it has only opening tag like BR. Now difference between markup language and programming language. A markup language is a system for annotating a document in a way that is systematically distinguishable from the text. So basically it is to present information. Now we talk about what is programming language. It is a formal language that contains a set of instructions used to produce various kinds of output. So programming language creates lots of output. It makes software, whereas markup language makes web pages. Now markup language, this is interpreted by browser. Markup language is interpret means convert. So markup language is converted by browser, whereas programming language is compiled means also converting. Then programming language also compiled means converted, also converted by compiler or interpreted by an interpreter. One thing here you have to understand that the markup language is not converted into machine language. Until now you were told that all the programming languages are converted to machine language in order to be understood by computer, but markup language is not converted to machine language. It is interpreted by browser, then the pages are made. So this is the key difference between them. This is the key difference. Now some markup languages are HTML, XML, XHTML. So HTML, XML, XHTML, these are the tag based language. These all three are not converted to machine language, whereas C, C++, Java, Python and assembly are some example of programming language. These are converted to machine language. Now markup language presents information, whereas programming language gives instruction. So one thing I would like to share with you that what is hyperlink and hypertext. Then here we talk about this particular thing. This is called hyperlink, whereas this is called hyperlink, whereas this is called hypertext. So when you click on hypertext, hyperlinks open. So hyperlink is based on hypertext. When you click on hypertext, hyperlinks open. So these all two are complement to each other. With another example we understand it. I open Google Chrome and this is a Cambridge dictionary. So anything which is hyperlink, hypertext, here you will know it better. Anything which will be hypertext, that there your mouse pointer will turn into palm, hand palm. Your mouse pointer will turn into hand palm. You can take a look. This image is hypertext. Now you can call that, what is text? Text can be anything. Text can be number, letter, special symbol, image, anything. So text contains all. Now this is hypertext, and below here you are seeing hyperlinks is appearing. You can take a look. The hand palm, you are seeing hand palm. This was mouse pointer here. This was here mouse pointer, but here it is turning into hand palm, and this is hyperlink. Now this dictionary is hypertext, 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 hypertext. Here are plenty of hypertext, and but on any hypertext you are taking your mouse pointer, you can see below here, you can see the hyperlink. So that is why it is being said that HTML is hypertext markup language. So these kind of websites are made in HTML with the help of XML. These kind of websites are made. Some JavaScript, XML, HTML together makes a dynamic websites and all. Now here we talk about structure of HTML document. First of all, this particular language, this is called declaration. So declaration is not that essential. You may not write in your document, but when you want to make your HTML document to a latest version, you know HTML5 is the latest version. So if you want to make your document HTML5, then you have to write, then this is essential. But if you don't want to make your document latest, then you need not write it. Now here we come on HTML. This is root element, also called root tag. So root tag is the starting of your HTML document. All the other tags and contents and all, these reside between HTML opening and HTML closing. So HTML is the root element in all the HTML document. Now talk about head element. This contains meta information. Meta information means these are the hidden information, and some basic example of meta information is author name, date created, date modified, and file size. Meta information is also called metadata. These both are interchangeable usually. Now we talk about title. Title element specifies a title for the element page which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the page tab. Now this is title tag. So basically this is title opening tag, title closing tag, and this is called content. So opening tag also called start tag. Now body tag elements define the document's body and its container for all the visible content such as heading, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, tables, list, etc. So body tag is also called largest tag of HTML document because this tag decides that which thing will be visible in your HTML document. Now H1 element, H1 means heading, H means heading. So there are 6 kind of heading in HTML document. H1 is the largest heading. Here it is written large heading, but it is largest heading. Now P means paragraph. Now children, we are going to write our first tag in HTML. For that you will have to open Notepad. You can open Notepad from start button and you can search in from here, or the simplest method I feel, you just type here Notepad and Notepad will open. Now Notepad is open and I am going to write a single line tag in HTML file. We are not going to write the long list of HTML tags, the basic tag, because that will that will waste our time. So to save our time, I'm going to write here directly the main tag which we are going to test. So for that, here I'm going to write body bg color equal double quotes. Actually, you either write double quotes or you do not write. Writing double quotes is not necessary here. Red. One question you can also ask, that why we are writing this in capital letter. So HTML is not case sensitive. It is a capital letter and a small letter, both are same. So you can write in any of your choice. But tradition is to write HTML tags and attributes in capital letter, because it is not case sensitive, and this is your tradition to write HTML language in capital. So here we are writing it in capital letter. So this body is tag, and this is its attribute, and this is value of attribute. This is called angle. So this is whole called tag. Tag is also called element. Now we are going to test it. For that, we will have to save it. We are going to click on file. First time when we save a new file, then we click on save as. Just you have to set a mind here that when you make new file, you have to click on save as. Now here it is asking for location. I'm giving location desktop, and I'm writing the file name. File name is bg color, to just recognize it easily, and it should be all files. Now here bg color dot htm. It also can be HTML. It also can be HTML. I am choosing here HTML. Now I am clicking on save. Now I minimize it. You can see that a bg color file has been present here. Now you're seeing logo of Internet Explorer, because this file will open in Internet Explorer. So this has got the logo of Internet Explorer. Now I click it. Here you can see the background of the file is in red color. So we are going to put it side by side. I am clicking on the title bar and holding Windows key and right arrow. Then this has come right, and then I click on it. This has come in left. So when I click on title bar and press Windows key and right arrow, it will go in right, left arrow, it will come in left. Again put the left arrow and Windows key. So now this is Notepad, and this is the Internet Explorer. This is output, and this is source file. So I am going to change here. I am going to change it blue, and I have to save. Now I have to save it because it is not new file. I am updating old file, so I have to click on save. You have to just put in mind that for making new file, click on save as. For updating old file, you have to click on save. So I am clicking on save, and here I am coming and right click and refresh. You can see it has turned into blue, and when you write green, now this time I write green without double quotes in small letter, and just I do the same. Click on save and right click, refresh. You can see the green color has come. Now here I am going to use more attributes in body tag. Here we go. I am going to add body, and body bg color is green. Now text means text color. Text color is red, and align means position of text. It should be center. Now I close it. Now I write here H2. H1 is the largest, H2 is little smaller. then H1. Now here I'm going to write my name. Okay. It is container tag, so it needs to be closed. Now I save it. Why save? Because file has been already made, that is why I am saving it. Now when I am saving it, now you have to take it care here that this is Google Chrome. So Google Chrome is little different. You have to take care that this is Internet Explorer and this is Google Chrome. So both are web browser, and it has been told that web browser interprets HTML file. So earlier in the earlier example, Internet Explorer was shown. Now Google Chrome is being shown. So it is Google Chrome. Now this is the file, and I have made here a lot of change. So I'm going to reload it. You know, in the Google Chrome it is written reload, and in Internet Explorer refresh was written. But Control R is the shortcut key in any of the web browser. Control R is the shortcut key to reload, refresh. So I'm going to reload. Now you can see that green is background and text is red and align is center. Align also can be left. If align is left, then the name will be displayed here, and if align is right, the name will be displayed here. In this video, students, we have been explained basic things of HTML, but in the next video you will be explained about background attribute, which is very interesting, and also link, visited link, left margin, top margin, font, HR, paragraph, IMG, marquee, list, order list, bullet list, so plenty of things. So the next video will be very interesting of HTML. So until then, take care, bye bye, good day.